Anyone who tells you that the fat on top of bone broth isn't good for cooking is talking out of their behind. All you have to do is add one extra step and you'll have something that is suitable for storing. Simply scoop off all the fat. It doesn't matter if you have any of that gelatinous broth stuck on the bottom because you're going to be cooking all of that out anyway, and stick it in a pot of choice. Be sure to scoop out as much as you can. A little bit of fat goes a long way, so you want to make sure that you get every last bit of it out, and then you should be left with this gelatinous brothy slop. On a medium to high heat, bring the fat up to just below boiling point. And once just below boiling, you want to turn it down to a simmer and it will start producing steam and the liquid will start cooking away. When the steam's stopped and all you've got are just a few little bubbles here and there, just get out all the little floaty bits off top and prepare your jars for storing. And because you're going to be pouring hot fat into these jars, you want to make sure that you've preheated them in the oven just to bring them up to temperature so that your jar doesn't crack. My one here is just hot enough to handle, and I've put a little sieve on top just to catch any sediment while I'm pouring the fat into the hot jar. And then it's just a matter of leaving it to cool down, and when it's cooled you just stick the lid on, put it in the fridge, and once completely cooled in the fridge you'll have a solid bit of fat to use anytime for cooking. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. My name's Karen and I'll see you in the next one.